Google Gemini Bard is an innovative search tool enhancing user experience. Ecliff Hnager complements it with advanced features, creating a dynamic synergy for seamless online exploration and discovery. Step 1. Extension tab overview. The extension tab in B is like a super convenient hub where you can access lots of cool Google stuff all in one place, making things super easy. Imagine it as your shortcut to awesome features like Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, YouTube, and Google Workspace. It's like having a magic doorway to all these great services without having to go hunting for them. So instead of bouncing around from one app to another, you can do everything from this one cozy spot. Need to plan a trip? Boom! Google Flights is right there. Looking for a place to stay? Easy peasy with Google Hotels. Lost in the city? No worries, Google Maps has got your back. Want to watch some videos? Well, hello YouTube. And if you've got work to do, jump right into Google Workspace. It's basically your go-to spot for everything Google, neatly organised into one tab. Talk about making life simpler and more fun. Step 2. Video Analysis feature. B's video analysis capability stands out as a potential tool for users. It's as simple as sharing a video link and utilising the official template to unearth valuable insights in a user-friendly format. This feature proves to be a game changer for anyone looking to grasp the essence of lengthy videos swiftly. Instead of committing to watching the entire content, users can opt for a more efficient approach to retrieve information. This function is a time-saving gem, especially for individuals seeking a rapid overview without delving into the intricacies of the entire video. B's video analysis doesn't just simplify the process, it enhances accessibility and makes information extraction a breeze. Whether you're a professional seeking key points or a casual viewer wanting a quick summary, B's video analysis brings convenience to the forefront, revolutionizing the way we interact with and derive value from video content. Step 3. Voice interaction enhancement. Adding voice interaction to B brings a whole new level of convenience. Now, users can simply talk to B and have a neutral conversation, making interaction feel more like chatting with a friend. This feature makes things easier. No more typing, just speak. It's like having a personal voice assistant at your service. But it doesn't stop there. B not only understands your voice, but also talks back. Imagine being able to hear B's responses. It's like having a real conversation. This makes the experience even more interactive and engaging. It's a cool way to make technology feel more human. So, whether you're asking B for information or just having a friendly chat, the voice interaction option makes it feel more natural and enjoyable. It's a step forward in making technology work the way we do, with our voices. Step 4. Email interaction. B's email interaction is a super helpful tool that saves a lot of time. You can use certain prompts to ask B about your emails, like requesting emails from a particular person during a specific period. B is great at summarising and organising your email info, making it much easier to handle your emails. This feature simplifies managing your emails, turning it into a more straightforward and efficient task. Instead of digging through your inbox, you can just ask B what you need, and it quickly gives you the important details. This not only makes dealing with emails faster, but also frees up your time for other important things. So, with B's email interaction, you can stay on top of your inbox without it taking up too much of your precious time. Step 5. Web page summarization. B excels in summarizing web pages, showcasing its skill in offering brief insights and creating easy-to-understand bullet points. Users simply input a web page link, and B swiftly extracts and prevents crucial information, making it a valuable tool for synthesizing information. With its user-friendly interface, B simplifies the process of gathering key details from web pages, enabling users to quickly grasp the main points without the need to swift through lengthy content. Its ability to generate concise summaries enhances comprehension, making it an efficient and accessible resource for those seeking quick and clear information. Whether for research, learning, or staying informed, B streamlines the web page analysis process, providing users with a convenient and effective tool for extracting essential information with ease. Step 6. Image analysis capability. B is a super smart tool that can do more than you think. One of the coolest features is analysing pictures. Imagine you have a photo and you want to know what's in it or get a quick summary. That's where B comes in. Just ask B to check out the image and it will tell you what it sees. Kind of like magic. So, whether you're dealing with a lot of pictures or just one, B's got your back. It's like having a superpower for understanding visuals. Need a fast and dependable way to make sense of all those images? B is the answer. This feature is awesome for anyone who deals with pictures a lot. No need to spend hours trying to figure out what's in a photo. Bee does it in a snap. It's like having your own personal image detective. Bee makes visual information easy to understand, making your life simpler and more fun. Try it out and see the magic happen. Step 4. Export to Sheets tool. This handy Exports to Sheet tool in Bee makes organising data a breeze. With just a click, users can create a spreadsheet with all the important information neatly laid out. This makes it super easy to analyse or share the data, especially with platforms like Excel. Bee becomes even more useful for data-driven tasks with this seamless integration. Step 8. Public link feature. Bee doesn't stop there. It's got real-time data analysis too. For things like hotel prices and availability, Bee teams up with Google Hotels to keep you in the loop with the latest info. This means you can make smart decisions based on up-to-date details. What's cool is that Bee lets you tweak the responses to match your style. So, if you like things a certain way, Bee can make it happen. It's like having a personal assistant that's all about your preferences. With Bee, staying on top of things and getting the data you need has never been so simple. Step 9. Dark theme and response customization. Bee is designed to be your personalized chat companion, and we've added some cool features to make it even more tailored to your preferences. Firstly, we know that everyone has their own style, so now you can switch between light and dark themes whenever you want. Whether you prefer a bright and vibrant look or a more relaxed, darker interface, Bee adapts to what feels comfortable for you. But that's not all. We understand that conversations should reflect your unique personality. That's why we've introduced response customization. You can tweak Bee's responses to match your own chat styles. It's like giving Bee a touch of your own personality, making every conversation special and uniquely yours. So, whether you're a fan of the light side or the dark side, and whether you like your conversations witty, casual or formal, Bee is here to adapt and make chatting a more enjoyable and personalised experience for you. Step 10. Google's Gemini software and future updates. Google's Gemini software is a game changer that promises a future filled with even more amazing features. Imagine having your favourite app, but instead of staying the same, it just keeps getting better and better. Gemini is like that cool friend who always brings something new to the table. With Gemini, Google is on a mission to enhance user experiences and make our digital lives even more enjoyable. It's not just an ordinary software update, it's a promise of exciting things to come. Picture this, you love using Google services, and now Gemini is here to take that love to a new level. As we look ahead, the future updates for Gemini are like unwrapping presents. You never know what delightful surprises await. Google is constantly working behind the scenes to refine and improve Gemini, ensuring that it becomes your go-to tool for an even smoother online experience. Step 11. Response customization feature. The response customization feature is like having your very own chat assistant that gets you. Imagine a friend who knows exactly how you like to chat. Well, that's Bee for you. It's super cool because you can make Bee respond just the way you want. If you're into short and snappy replies, Bee's got it covered. Or, if you prefer the long and detailed talk, Bee can do that too. It's like tailoring a suit, but for your conversations. What's even better is that you get to pick the tone. Whether you're feeling casual and laid back, or all serious and professional, Bee is on board. It's like magic, your chat, your rules. So, say goodbye to one-size-fits-all conversations. With Bee, it's all about you. Just imagine having a chat buddy who knows you so well, it's like they're reading your mind. That's the responsive customization feature, making your chats as unique as you are. In conclusion, Google Gemini Bard is revolutionizing online interactions with its versatile features, from efficient video analysis to personalized response customization, embracing the future with constant updates. Gemini promises an exciting journey of digital innovation. Like, share and subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of AI and technology.